platform. Then I put a Batman on them. She put Destiny on her platform. Destiny class. When me not run look a joke, I said take down diary and I joke me not make. And Destiny class me and tell me all kind of thing and shit. Come suck me a woman. Come suck me with a straw. Leave me alone, yeah. Can't tell me who to talk to and who to put on my platform. After me not outside, I have to tell you who to talk to. The woman them not do me nothing. The people them not do me nothing. Them are rub and not talk. Them not rub me. They never tell me say Fowley have AIDS, Fowley dead, Fowley do this. Your friend them tell me that. So when me fi maybe sit down with you and your friend them come suck me a woman and go here. You can't tell me if you do or who to talk to. To me, I look up at you and for your phone, me on my phone. But me sell out. Sell out your pussy class, sell out where? Lady, leave me alone, yeah. In Jesus' name. You can't dictate your people them. You can't dictate me. People remember say next week Saturday night I feel balls thing, you know. I'm a nice church sister for your bars. We got the same party together, so we got the same church. Yeah. Lord God. Every shirt me put on it now button. How man? Every shirt me put on the now button. I look how my pass the gym look while and them say $10 amount. I make for go in there and walk past it. Remember now, say look more now, a super clad now, so anybody with don't go at the view, on the don't come at the way name there. Where you call the repass or what? Cause we not get no food. Anyone that want to see with the food do not have to pay $10. And if it start sell the food and the liquor at 9 night and so much I want to stop go out. And so much I want to stop go by 9 night, because I don't know what got the funeral place. Was the food and the free liquor. But anyone that want to ever make sure none of don't see me today and beg me no candy, because I go get no broke clock for them. Anyone that want to beg me no candy, I get no broke clock. No Fowley. You have to do something to your belly, man. I have to drink one bottle of wash out, you know, and say if I haven't 2 parts of that belly, I can't go in. To the name dash out there. Any clothes women are like in that blood not dry, yeah. So that's free. I want to wear this. A top man pants. But man. This no fit me pants now button. Nah, man. You know when I get so round for like a fucking English born. I'm in a live in England. Right, that's so let me close the slum in a me now wear them. I'll throw them downstairs. I can't them go downstairs, but throw them down. Me now wear you. Anything me now wear now. Come me not share. Me now hold no brand. Put them